Question number 9. Okay. Two trolleys of equal mass travel in opposite directions as shown. The trolleys collide head-on and stick together. What is this problem on? This is a problem on conservation of momentum. What is their velocity after collision? So what you need to do? We should say that momentum, sum of the momenta before collision is equal to sum of the momenta after collision. So what do we need to do before collision? So what is the momenta here? This should be, let this be mass over here because equal mass. This is mass here. This should be 6m. This is the momentum of this one, and this should be 4m but negative because going in the opposite direction. So total momentum before collision should be 6m minus 4m. Okay, this should be after collision. What does it say? It says they stick on together and they start moving. Okay, when they stick on together, which means what's the total mass? So this is 6 sticking on together. So you have 6. So you have m plus m, 2m. Okay, m plus m. So therefore 2m multiplied by the velocity v. We do not know what is the velocity v here. We need to find over here. So therefore now 6m minus 4m should be 2m. 2m should be equal to 2mv. So this just goes away. So v should be equal to 1 meter per second. So the answer is A over here.